50 to 70% off all O positive products right now, guys. It just launched. You gotta run and grab them. $18 for their Kitty Cat Probiotic. This is really good for getting rid of odors and any kind of issues you might have down there, scratchiness. This is Flow, which is going to help you with your ovarian cycle, your ovulation cycle, and also your hormones. This is for your PMS, so obviously if you have like mood swings, discomfort, bloating, this is gonna help so much. Willow is for your hair, so this is going to help you stimulate your scalp, it's going to help you with your hair follicle health, and it's going to make your hair really long. And Motto is for overall metabolism and also for your blood sugar. All of these are on sale right now, guys. The Motto is like 70% off, so I'm going to drop the link for you on the bottom of the screen. Just click it. It's going to open up all of the links if you want to run and grab these. All free shipping, guys. I mean, holy crap, like the sale here is insane. And when I tell you this is gonna sell out, I really truly mean it, everybody. This always sells out whenever they have this flash sale. They only have it twice a year, so run and grab yours.